26 from Montreal.
And the Bell Center
I don't know if
has our pay-per-view telecast, a brand new one that's coming up at the end of this month. Willow Nightingale makes her return, like you said, and comes away victorious.
I'm going to be the one that covers it.
Had to relinquish the TBS title because of an injury, but showing how resilient she is to be back in action.
Oh, you guys! You guys! You don't know how much I miss this. Oh. Thank you. I love you guys too. 2 months ago, a shoulder injury forced me to relinquish the TBS championship and drop out of the Owen. But congratulations to Sheeta, congratulations to Mercedes, right? The opportunity was there and they both stepped up. But yeah, sitting sideline for Double or Nothing, which was an amazing show, and it was in my hometown, it was in New York. That absolutely broke my heart. But if you think I was sitting at home crying about it, you don't know Willow Nightingale! I did not defend the TBS championship 10 times just to give up on myself, to give up on my dreams. No, I wasn't gonna let my Wembley Stadium dreams go up in smoke because this shoulder couldn't carry the weight of the world. No, not your girl. Your girl was home and she was working on getting better. She was working on getting stronger, more motivated, more focused. So when Tony Khan announces a casino gauntlet, I'm like, oh, that's my chance. I took the gamble. I took the risk. I rolled the dice, and now the babe with the power has one more shot at the Women's World Championship. One more shot at redemption. But before I could celebrate, Thekla, you blindsided me. And Mercedes, oh, you left me lying in the middle of the ring after you smashed me in the head with your title. Oh. But listen, I get it. I do. You're trying to send me a message. You're trying to remind me who runs the division, but you've both made a terrible mistake. You mistook my smile as a weakness. But for me, redemption isn't about getting even. It's not even about making up for lost time. For me, redemption means that I'm gonna prove that the worst day of my career doesn't have to define the rest of it. Thekla, I'll say it, you've been a hell of a champion, really. But 2 months ago, when this shoulder couldn't carry the weight of the world, I pivoted so that at redemption, I could carry it around my waist. At redemption, nothing is stopping me. Not this shoulder, not the heartbreak, not bad luck, and it sure as hell isn't gonna be fear. Thekla, I am walking in the #1 contender. But I'm walking out the AEW Women's World Champion.
Talk your dumb.
Yeah. And Mercedes, I'm the one you'll be facing at All In. Yeah!
A very confident and well she should be Willow Nightingale, back and healthy shot at the